The cozy office advantage, finding your focus and flow. A home office should inspire. It should be a haven for productivity and comfort. Blending these elements can transform your work life. Imagine a workspace that sparks joy, a place where organization meets tranquility. This is the magic of a cozy and productive home office. When your surroundings are both functional and comforting, you unlock your best work. You feel focused, creative, and ready to tackle any challenge. Location, 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 embracing natural light and peace. Choosing the right location is key. Look for a space with ample natural light. Sunlight boosts mood and productivity. Minimize distractions by choosing a quiet area. A spare bedroom, a cozy nook, or even a dedicated corner can work wonders. Natural light is invigorating. It helps you feel more awake and alert throughout the day. A peaceful environment allows you to focus on your tasks without interruptions. Functionality. First, organizing your workspace for success. Invest in a comfortable chair and a spacious desk. Choose storage solutions that fit your needs and keep clutter at bay. A well-organized workspace promotes efficiency. Everything has its place, making it easier to find what you need. When everything is in order, your mind is free to focus. Functionality fosters a sense of calm and control. Section 4. Comfort is key. Adding warmth and personality with cozy touches. Incorporate soft textures like cozy rugs and blankets. Add personality with artwork, plants, and inspiring quotes. Warm lighting is essential for a cozy ambiance. Use a combination of overhead lighting and task lighting for optimal comfort. Surround yourself with things you love. Plants purify the air and add life to your workspace. Create a space that feels welcoming and reflects your personality. Section 5. Inspiration Station. Personalizing your space to spark creativity. Display items that inspire you. It could be family photos, travel mementos, or your favorite books. Create a vision board with goals and dreams. Visualizing your aspirations can fuel motivation and keep you on track. Make your office a reflection of your passions. Surround yourself with things that spark joy and ignite your creativity. A cozy and productive home office is an investment in yourself. It's a space where you can thrive both personally and professionally. What are your favorite cozy office must-haves? Share your tips and inspire others to create their dream workspaces.